So I've said it once, I'll say it again. Carburetors are new to me. I'm learning as I go. But to get this bowl off, we do have 4 Phillips head screws. These ones aren't very tight. And since I just looked at it out of the corner of my eye, don't think we're going to mess with the fuel valve, because when I was emptying the fuel tank, I had it in the on position and had very good flow. And when it stopped coming out of the fuel, there was still some fuel in it. So I switched to reserve and it started flowing out again. So we're probably not going to disassemble that. I don't think there's going to be any issues with it. But let's get the rest of these Phillips head screws out. Give it a few taps, try to loosen it up. Yeah, pop off. Ooh, that looks nasty. It's coming out. Yeah, we need to clean this out really good. Looks like the float is okay. So it's your main jet and your pilot jet. So let's pull those out and see how those look. I have a feeling they're going to be grimy. I don't know if you can tell or not. The lighting isn't the best, but it's almost green and gross looking. Some corrosion in there. Well, let me grab a flathead screwdriver. That's our main jet. I don't think I'm going to pick that up on camera, but it is completely clogged. And pull out the pilot jet. Those holes right there look kind of clogged. I cannot see through it. It's clogged as well. Now we're going to pull the float, take the float off, inspect the needle. Now we get this little pin out. Might need something smaller. Little float needle. Looks good. Still rubbery. But I'm pretty sure the rebuild kit comes with a replacement needle. Maybe y'all can see that corrosion. This is where I wish I had a ultrasonic cleaner, so I could just put the whole carb in there to clean it. The needle seat doesn't look too bad. We got our big bag of parts. And we went with the All Balls Racing part number 60. Oh, this is for the fuel valve. That's not the carburetor. So I think I got 2 rebuild kits here. I'll have to double check my part numbers, but I think this is the kit for this. Pretty sure this is the right part number. I went with the Tusk brand. Part number. No, I don't think that is it. Just looking at the bowl gasket. I might have to edit this out. Alright, so I got the bowl as clean as I could. All I had went on there with some throttle plate cleaner. I went in the house and grabbed the old toothbrush. I won't be using this one anymore. I just filled the bowl with throttle plate cleaner and then just started scrubbing. The one looks a whole lot better than it did. Toothbrush doesn't fit too well in many of these spots, but up here wasn't all that bad. However, like these from here down was kind of corroded, so I went ahead and cleaned that up as best as I could. Maybe one day I'll get a ultrasonic cleaner, parts cleaner. So I believe, need to double check, but I think this is the right parts kit for this carburetor rebuild through Tusk. But what I am going to do is we're going to take this off, see if we can pull the needle out. It is 2 Phillips head screws. And I believe that kit has a gasket for this. No, I may not even bother with it. It looks pretty clean down in there. You can see the needle. I don't know if you can see it in that hole right there. I don't know, we may let it ride. Because I think these jets were the problem. Man, like, you can't see anything through there. It's like clogged. And so is this one. Can't see anything. So I think we're just gonna swap the jets. I don't think I'm gonna bother with that. But since I did take the cover off, I am gonna go ahead and put a new gasket since it came with one. Not gonna worry about swapping out the needle. So we'll get this old gasket out. Somebody's probably been in here. Don't know that from the factory it's gonna come glued. So I'm gonna try to clean this out. Alright, so we just finished rebuilding the carburetor. Got it clean for the most part. Before we reinstall it, I'm gonna go ahead and let's go get the throttle cable replaced.